Hello, this is Esther from Stampin' Star Creations. I'm on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Periscope and Blogger as Stampin' Star Creations if you want to find me on social media. Okay, today's card we're using the Swirly Bird Stamp Set available from Stampin Up from the 1st of June, and we're going to recreate this burger and chips card here. I've gone ahead and stamped what's usually used as a boat sail, which is this one here, in the real red to create our container for our fries or chips, depending where you're from. Okay, next we're going to use the boat or the nest stamp, and we're going to use our yellow, which is Daffodil Delight. I'm going to only ink part of the stamp, so we want the straighter edge. I'm just going to grab a post-it note and mask off our container. Just stamping to the side of the stamp, remember, just so you get about half of that image. And remembering that each time when you're going in to re-ink it. Going different directions and different lengths to add those chips into our basket. There we go, if we can peel off our mask. Next we're going to be working on the burger, so I'm just going to go and clean this stamp. For this colour we're using Delightful Dijon. I'm just going to grab my post-it note back because we're going to need that. Okay, we're going to get some of the ink off, so going in with the ink and stamping once and then going in the second time onto our piece of work. Then for the second bun, same again, but this time turning the stamp the other way and leaving a gap in the middle for your fillings. I'm going to use my paper snips to cut out the shape of the burger because we're going to be using this later. Okay, I fussy cut out the piece of burger. I'm going to use both these pieces just to mask off a small area above the burger. And you can use brown for a burger, or you can go back with a Dijon to use it as a bit of mustard in your burger. As I've got the colour out, I'm just going to use that. Oops, it's moving. Okay, going back in with that colour. I'm going to use the mask again and add some ketchup, so turning it upside down, masking off a small area. I'm just going to clean my stamp before we go in with real red. Okay, I've got real red on my ink. My stamp rather. There we have the ketchup. Okay, next we're going to add some lettuce leaves. So grabbing the smallest of the leaves available in the set and using cucumber crush. Add our lettuce leaves into our burger. Now, just to make it look more realistic, we're going to add the stem in the middle using the same colour and just placing it on top of the existing leaves. We're going to use the long string that's sometimes used for the kite stamp, and you want the straighter edge of the two, which is going to be this side here. And I'm going back in with my Dijon mustard colour. We're only going to stamp part of the stamp so that we get a straight line coming out the burger for the stick of the flag. I'm bringing back the cucumber crush and the tiny flag that's used sometimes as a sail on the boat. I'm going to stamp off with this colour so it's not so bright on the card. The joy of photopolymer even stamps, as you can see straight through where you're stamping. The next stamp we're going to use is the swirly one, and going back in with our real red just to create that background. Just going to grab a bit of scrap paper that I used earlier. I'm just going to go in with the real red colour and fill in the gaps around the image. Doesn't matter if they're overlapping. If you want to add a sentiment or a word to the bottom, you can. I'm going to be using the word awesome from the Endless Birthday Wishes stamp set. Going in with our real red and stamping the word awesome. Okay. And with our matching red card, you can use that as a mount and then simply put it on some more Whisper White cardstock. And there you have an awesome burger and chips card. Thank you very much for watching. Do subscribe if you'd like to keep up with my latest videos, and press like if you've enjoyed the video. Next up, I'm hoping to show you this card here, still using the Swirly Bird Stamp Set. Thank you for joining me. Have a good day. Bye for now.